Hello, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting my machine learning project on predicting the electrical energy output of a combined cycle power plant. The goal of this project is to develop a predictive model that estimates power output based on environmental factors. The datasets given to us consist of 9,568 observations with 4 numerical input features: temperature, ambient pressure, relative humidity, and exhaust vacuum, and one numerical target variable, net electrical energy output, the column name as P. Since the target variable is continuous, this is definitely a regression problem. The best evaluation metrics for this task is root mean square error, RMSE, as it helps measure the average prediction error, and also R squared to determine how well our model explains variance in the predicted output. Based on exploratory data analysis, which I did, I found that temperature and exhaust vacuum have the strongest correlation with power output, while ambient pressure and relative humidity have a weaker impact. To build an effective model, I explored the following algorithms. Linear regression. This was used as a baseline model to check if a simple linear relationship could explain power output. XGBoost is next, a tree-based ensemble model that performs well with structured data. It also provides feature importance insights, making it highly interpretable. And finally, artificial neural network-based, a deep learning kind of model designed to capture complex pattern in the data if exist. It required careful tuning of hyperparameters such as layer size, activation function, and learning rate. Compared to these models based on validation performance to determine the best combinations. Model building and training. To ensure a fair comparison, I split the dataset into 70% training, 15% validation, and another 15% for tests to verify the final model. Used a validation strategy to compare models and optimize hyperparameters. I trained all 3 models to evaluate their effectiveness in predicting power output. Each model was trained and evaluated using root mean square error, RMSE, and R squared to determine predictive accuracy and how the models generalized in a nutshell. So here are the results of our models on different data sets. Linear regression underperformed slightly, suggesting that a simple linear regression may not be completely sufficient to capture all relations. XGBoost and the neural network performed the best, achieving identical validation scores. I selected XGBoost as the final model, mainly since it has a lower training error and required less computational resources compared to neural network. And also the interpretability of XGBoost is significantly higher than we can expect it from a neural network. After selecting XGBoost as the final model, I tested it on unseen test data. The final results were R square on test set 0.9578, RMSE on test set 3.5371 plus minus megawatt. The test results closely match validation performance, confirming that the model generalized well. The low RMSE also indicates that our predictions are favorably accurate. Using XGBoost feature important analysis, now we can identify the key drivers of power output. Temperature, the most influential factor, leading, higher temperature leading to lower energy output. Exhaust vacuum negatively impacts power output, aligning with thermodynamic principles. Ambient pressure and relative humidity have smaller contribution, though they still affect the efficiency. So in summary, we have built and evaluated multiple machine learning models to predict power output. XGBoost was selected as the best model, achieving an RMSE of 3.537 megawatt with strong generalization on test data. Thank you.